Hi, here's Mike again from FirstZoom. We got actually an HD DSLR rig, and with that Phottix sent us their Hector 9 HD LCD monitor, which I want to do a short unboxing so that you actually can see what's in this thing. We will do a review on that later on, but it takes a bit of time testing it. So, well, let's have a look in the box. That's the 9-inch screen with a couple of plugs on top. We'll go into details of that later. It looks very solid. Okay, place that here. Second thing is a nice soft cover for the screen in case you have to take it out of the studio. Looks very good. And we have a couple of adapters. The first one is, I believe that's a 12-volt adapter, power supply for the LCD screen when you have the chance to get some more electricity from the grid, either in the studio or at certain locations. Another thing here is a battery. This one is called Phottix Titan, which is basically the same type of battery all the normal camcorders are using, so you can use that kind of batteries for this screen. Makes it very easy and convenient to work with. There's another recharger for that in here. Well, here too, there is a small LCD remote here. Has a couple of functions on that. We will come into that later on when we do the review as well. And then in this box we have obviously quite some cables coming with it. Let me check that out. So this screen is not only for filming but also for the functions you have when you use the DSLRs for photo shots. So there's 3 buttons on there, which we will explain later as well. Shutter releases, autofocus and so on. So besides the normal HDMI cable, which you need for hooking it up and actually seeing anything on the screen, which goes on the normal HDMI plug on one side and a mini HDMI to plug it with the camera, you also have 3 more cables in here, which is various cables, which are all 2.5 millimeter cinch plugs on one side, which go to that shutter release control, and on the other side I have different plugs for connecting it to your DSLR cameras or the battery grips. We'll explain that later in another video where we actually test the screen and show you all the key features. Okay, so that's coming in the box, and we will see the rest of it in the next video.